Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question number 1, choose the correct sentence. A, she play with her friends. B, she plays with her friends. C, she playing with her friends.
Question number 2. Fill in the blank. I dashed to the store last night. A. Go B. Went C. Going. Question number 3. Which one is a preposition? A. Walk. B. In C. Book. Question number 4. Fill in the blank. The dog is sitting dash the chair. A. In B. On C. At. Question number 5. Complete the sentence. They dash to school every day. A. Go B. Goes C. Going. Question number 6. Which one is correct? A. We is going to the park. B. We are going to the park. C. We am going to the park. Question number 7. Choose the correct word. She dash a book. A. Reads. B. Read. C. Reading. Question number 8. Fill in the blank. They dash in the garden right now. A. Are B. Is C. M. Question number 9. What is the plural of box? A. Boxes. B. Box. C. Boxies. Question number 10. Fill in the blank. I. A pencil in my bag. A. Have B. Has C. Having. Question number 11. Which is the correct sentence? A. She have a dog. B. She has a dog. C. She having a dog. Question number 12. Complete the sentence. He dashed to his grandma's house every weekend. A. Go B. Goes C. Going. Question number 13. What is the opposite of light? A. Heavy. B. Soft. C. Smooth. Question number 14. Fill in the blank. I dash a new book last week. A. Buy B. Bought C. Buying. Question number 15. Choose the correct form. He dash in the room right now. A. Is B. Is working. Works. Question number 16. Which one is a subject in a sentence? A. Quickly. B. Dog, C, under. Question number 17. Fill in the blank. She dashed to music every morning. A. Listen. B. Listens. C. Listening. Question number 18. Choose the correct question. A. Do she likes books? B. Does she like books? C. Does she like book? Question number 19. Complete the sentence. We dash to the movies next week. A. Going. B. Are going. C. Gone. Question number 20. Fill in the blank. They dash finished their homework. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. Question number 21. What is the plural of child? A. Children. B. Child's satpurisessu. Children's. Question number 22. Fill in the blank. The cat is sleeping dash the couch. A. In B. On C. At. Question number 23. Which is correct? A. He can speaks English. B. He can speak English. C. He speak English. Question number 24. Choose the correct preposition. The pen is dash the desk. A. In B. On C. Under. Question number 25. Complete the sentence. I dash my homework before dinner. A. Do. B. Did. C. Doing. Question number 26. Fill in the blank. They dash not go to school today. A. Do. B. Does. C. Is.
Question number 27. Which is the correct sentence? A. She can to swim. B. She can swimming. C. She can swim. Question number 28. Fill in the blank. The keys are dash the table. A. On B. In C. At. Question number 29. What is the opposite of big? A. Small b, small c, tall. Question number 30. Complete the sentence. He is the dash player on the team. A. Best. B. Better. C. Bestest. Question number 31. Fill in the blank. I dash eating lunch right now. A. Am. B. Am. C. Was. Question number 32. Which sentence is correct? A. They works hard. B. They work hard. C. They working hard. Question number 33. Fill in the blank. I dash never been to that city. A. Has B. Have C. Had. Question number 34. Complete the sentence. She dash her lunch every day. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Eating. Question number 35. What is the opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Excited. C. Angry. Question number 36. Fill in the blank. I dash a letter to my friend. A. Write. B. Wrote. C. Writing. Question number 37. Complete the sentence. We dash to the beach every summer. A. Goes B. Go C. Gone. Question number 38. Which is the correct question? A. Is she coming to the party? B. She is coming to the party? C. Is she comes to the party? Question number 39. Fill in the blank. They dash here for 2 years. A. Have been. B. Has been. C. Had been. Question number 40. Complete. I dash a new phone last month. A. Bought. B. Buying. C. Buy. Question number 41. What is the plural of tooth? A. Tooths. B. Teeth. C. Tooths. Question number 42. Choose the correct form. He dashed to the park now. A is going. I. B. Go C. Going. Question number 43. Complete the sentence. She dashed TV every evening. A. Watches. B. Watch. C. Watching. Question number 44. Fill in the blank. The teacher dashed the lesson yesterday. A. Taught. B. Teaching. C. Teaches. Question number 45. Choose the correct sentence. A. They not like swimming. B. They do not like swimming. C. They doesn't like swimming. Question number 46. Fill in the blank. She dash been my friend for many years. A is B, has C R. Question number 47. Which is the correct sentence? A. He goes to gym every day. B. He goes to the gym every day. C. He goes in the gym every day. Question number 48. Choose the correct form. They dash at the mall now. A, are B, is C. I. Question number 49. Fill in the blank. I dash to the party tomorrow. A, going B, am going C, will. Question number 50. Complete the sentence, we dash a great time last weekend. A, had B, have C, will have.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.